Good evening.
Miss Wanda, your seat will be 22E, right this way, please.
Thank you. Hey travel buddies, so I am on my way to Bangkok. As you guys can see by the title, I am down 2 trips. I was supposed to go away for Thanksgiving and we had like really bad weather in New York, so I wound up staying home. And then for Christmas we had bad weather as well. So right now this is like the 3rd attempt to head out of the country, so I am super excited. I met a really cool family. Say hi. Hey. They are headed to the Maldives. I'm so jealous. Okay, travel buddies. So we are about to board. I am headed on this flight. It is 12 hours and 15 minutes. So wish me luck. I'll pick you guys back up once we start rolling. Thank you. Thank you. he said bye travel buddies. Yeah. They're so nice. You too, thank you. I say you too. Oh, another one. They sure here. Hello. You guys are dressed so nice.
Thank you.
Alright, travel buddies, I feel like I don't have to tell you guys this, but you want to make sure you wear comfortable shoes, comfortable attire, because as you can see, there's a lot of waiting, a lot of standing in line. So, travel tip, make sure you dress comfortably as possible, people. This is business class, right? Nice. I like when you This is Harbor. I got the middle seat. Travel buddies. Oh. I waited till the last minute. Say hi to you two. At least you got the aisle seat. I got the middle seat. Man. Did you? Oh, wow. Sorry. I am 22. Alright, let's cut you guys off for a second.
Get out with whatever you're getting out. What do you get out? You want anything out of it? Okay.
Sorry, I'm in the middle.
Okay, get some. Get whatever you need. Trey,
Travel buddies, I'm in the middle.
get whatever you need out of it.
Alright guys, so this was in the seats. Let me see. This is, what do you guys see? These are some headphones. I got what looks like a really warm blanket. Feels so super comfy. I got a pillow. You guys see my pillow? And what's in here? I'm not sure. Okay guys, so this was in the bag, super cute. It's a sleep mask. They give you a toothbrush, a toothpaste, and a really cool pair of socks in case your feet get cold. Cute, right?
Where did you see that?
Members enroll during your flight to join the British Club. Digital meat and beverage menus are available for economy class customers and can be accessed from the Wi-Fi login page. We're delighted to inform you that you can catch live sports action on Sports 24 channel. Simply go next to your Express Wi-Fi, click on the Watch Now Live TV banner and enjoy. There are individual reason flights at your seats when the cabin lines are cheap, and we ask that you keep them available.
It's about 1:34 here in Cairo, about 6:34 a.m. back in New York. So I'm kind of not hungry, but I'm going to show you guys what they're serving. It looks really delicious. Travel buddies, so this is going to be the first tip if you're going to be traveling 24 hours or more. Super important to be comfortable on your flight. trust me, by like 5 or 6 hours in, you're gonna want to rip off every piece of clothing. Spanx, bras for the ladies, guys, I don't know. But you know, make sure you wear something comfortable. I just wanted to show you. Hey travel buddies, so the journey continues. I am at Qatar airport. Honestly, where are we? Sir, hi, you speak English? Where are we?
I come here to that.
Okay. No, I mean this is Qatar airport, but we in Cairo. Is it outside? Is Cairo? Yeah, me either. Hey, how you doing? Can I ask you a question? Where are we now? Outside the airport, where are we?
Outside?
Yeah, once we go outside, where are we? What country?
This is Qatar.
Qatar? Okay, thank you. So, we are in Qatar. And that, cause I'm on YouTube, I'm filming for a YouTube channel. So they, you know, once they travel, they want to know too where it is. Cause I'm headed to Bangkok after this. Thank you. All right, guys. So you heard her. She said that we are in Qatar. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the airport, but it's nice and quiet. And I am headed to Bangkok after this. I still have no idea. All right, let me show you guys a little bit of the airport. Hey travel buddies. Okay, so we are still going strong. I am about to board my last and final flight into Bangkok. It's a 6-hour flight. I had a the layover started at 4, but it wound up being 3 because we left late from New York City. So yeah, not hungry yet. I didn't eat any of that brunch that they served. I had 2 cups of coffee. Like I said, the time difference is really weird, and I did eat the cup of fruit. I didn't eat the yogurt, so I'm not that hungry, but I do have a Kind bar in my bag. If you watch my other videos, don't forget to pack granola bars, and I'll show you guys what they have on this flight. Hopefully it's something different, but that curry chicken was really good. That parfait, it was like a parfait with coconut and mango at dinner time. If you watch that part, that was delicious. So yeah, we're here and we are still energized. I'm not tired. Did I say I didn't spend any money? I'm gonna do a whole video on our budgeting, but yeah, that's pretty exciting. My dad brought me to the airport, so I didn't have to pay Uber, so I am stoked. They served wine on the first flight. Like I said, dinner, gave brunch, coffee and tea with like a chocolate wafer. I didn't want that last night because I didn't want to be up all night. So yeah, pretty fantastic. So let me give you guys a look at the lounge. It's nice and quiet. Pretty quiet here. So did I show you guys my really cute bag that I got? Let me show you. It has a part on the bottom of it where you can store your sneakers. Let me see if I can get you guys a good shot of it. How cute is this, guys? So under here, you zip this, and it holds 2 pairs. A pair is 2, right? A pair of shoes, a pair of sneakers, whatever you want to put in here. So cute. Has tons and tons of space. I love it. It's just adorable. how cute. I can't. If anybody wants to know where I got it, just leave a comment down below, because I'll forget. And then yeah, my little fanny pack. So again, travel lightly. The less you have, the better. Okay, travel buddies, so we are headed on the last and final flight into Bangkok.
Good.
Alright guys, so we made it on our final flight. Oh. Alright guys, so this time we got the window seat. Okay guys, so last flight headed to Bangkok in about, I think it said 3 hours. So we being served, I guess it would be dinner here. So I'm gonna give you guys a look at it. I got the beef stew and mashed potatoes. So this is the beef stew and mashed potatoes. Some bottled water. It's like a granola parfait. This looks like a cold salad, and I got a glass of white wine, and they also gave us a butter roll. Okay guys, so we are in Thailand, we are in Bangkok. Of course, I had to go to exit 22. I'm sweating to get my luggage. I think I was at exit 14. But Bangkok is fully open. Thailand is fully open. The only thing I needed was my passport, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're gonna be staying for more than I think 7 days, you have to apply for a visa. There's a lot of information online with that, but yeah, we are here. So I'm headed. I'm gonna try to find a taxi cab to my hotel. I'll pick you guys back up when I get in the taxi. The line for immigration. Always wear comfortable clothing and comfortable shoes. I can't stress that enough. All right, let me cut this in. All right, guys, so I'm gonna change $100. The exchange rate is $31.88. What do you need from me? Okay. All right, guys, let's try and find a taxi. That's gonna take us to our hotel. Okay guys, so we are headed to the hotel. Everything went really well. Thailand is open. All you need is your passport. If you stay more than 7 days, I think you need a visa to apply for a visa. There's a lot of information online about that right now. But that flight that I had with Qatar Airlines was just, it was just immaculate. They've been rated #1 for a really long time, and I can see why. Please, if you're gonna check out the video, the last meal that they served was it beef stew and mashed potatoes. It was delicious. If you ever on a Qatar flight, please get the beef stew with the mashed potatoes. What else did I